Welcome everyone to another video of techjockey.com. In this video, we will be talking about stock market software and their benefits. Let's get started. Stock market software is also known as share market software. It is a computer application designed to assist traders in various stages of trading, from investigating the stocks you are interested in buying and selling to predicting their future performance. Trading software is being used by individuals and firms for multiple purposes, such as doing trade analysis, getting buy and sell signals, and monitoring stock performance. Benefits of using stock market software. First, backtesting for profitable stock trading. Your chosen trading strategy is tested against the past performance of different investments to give an indication of its future performance. Second, notifications about your stock performance. Software can send alerts to your mobile phone when your trading signals have been met so you can buy or sell your trades. Third, knowledge about stock trading. Provides many educational tools to learn about different trading strategies and indicators. Fourth, biases. Gone forever. Investing in the stock market can mean that one is investing without emotions that influence the decision to withdraw investments or not. The last one, no advisors required. Software that guides your stock market decision making is good enough. You don't need to hire a dedicated stock market advisor. So that's for today's video. In the next video, we will be talking about the top 5 stock market software. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.